Sayer Ressam here. Glad you could join me for another deep dive into tomorrow's tech. Stick around as we explore features, performance, and hidden quirks you won't see in the spec sheet. The smartphone market just got a serious shake-up with the arrival of the Xiaomi Poco X8 Pro Max. As the first Pro Max model in Poco's X series, this device is built to push limits: massive battery, powerful chipset, and premium design, all at a price that undercuts most competitors. But is it truly a flagship killer, or just another spec monster on paper? Let's dive in. Starting with the unboxing experience, Poco sticks to its signature black and yellow packaging. Inside the box, you get everything you need: a protective case, SIM ejector tool, USB-C cable, and a 100W fast charger included right out of the box, a rare and welcome bonus in 2026. No extra purchases needed. Now onto the design. The Poco X8 Pro Max is a big phone, measuring approximately 6.42 by 3.07 by 0.32 inches and weighing around 7.72 ounces. On paper, that sounds hefty, but surprisingly, it feels comfortable in hand. The curved edges and rounded metal frame help distribute the weight evenly, making it easier to hold during long gaming or streaming sessions. The back design is eye-catching, especially on the white variant. Instead of a plain finish, it features a dual-tone layout, split vertically, giving it a more dynamic and modern look. The dual camera module is arranged vertically, paired with a symmetrical dual flash system. You'll also notice subtle branding like OIS Cam between the flashes, adding a bit of tech flair. One major upgrade here is the use of glass on both the front and back, giving the phone a more premium feel. Compared to older Poco devices that used plastic backs, it not only improves durability, but also elevates the overall look and feel of the device. Flip it to the front, and you're greeted with a massive 6.83-inch AMOLED display. It features a resolution of 2772 by 1280 pixels, a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and an impressive PWM dimming frequency of 3840 Hz. But the real standout spec is brightness. This panel can reach up to 3500 nits, making it one of the brightest displays in its class. Whether you're watching HDR content or using your phone under direct sunlight, visibility won't be an issue. The display also supports Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HDR Vivid, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrast. Combined with ultra-thin bezels, the viewing experience feels immersive, perfect for gaming, movies, or just scrolling through social media. Speaking of performance, this is where the Poco X8 Pro Max really flexes. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 950OS, a brand new chipset that delivers flagship-level performance at a mid-range price. Early benchmarks are impressive, with an AnTuTu score reaching around 2.76 million points. That includes over 800,000 points for CPU and nearly 1 million for GPU. In Geekbench 6, it scores approximately 2,657 in single-core and 8,479 in multi-core tests. In real-world use, that translates to ultra-smooth performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos. This is a device built not just for daily use, but for power users who demand more. On the software side, the phone runs HyperOS 3 based on Android 16. The interface feels smooth and responsive, though customization lovers might want to tweak the default icon pack for a cleaner look. Camera performance is decent but not groundbreaking. The main sensor is a 50MP shooter with PDAF and OIS, capable of capturing sharp and stable photos. There's also an 8-megapixels ultra-wide camera for wider shots. Video recording goes up to 4K at 60 FPS. With slow-motion support at 1080p and 960 FPS. While it's not the strongest camera system in its class, it gets the job done for everyday photography and content creation. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight: the battery. The POCO X8 Pro Max packs a massive 8,500 mAh battery, which is practically unheard of in mainstream smartphones. This thing is a battery monster. You can easily get through multiple days of moderate use without worrying about charging. And when you do need to charge, the 100W fast charging support ensures you won't be waiting long. It significantly cuts down charging time, making such a large battery actually practical for daily use. At around $590, the POCO X8 Pro Max delivers insane value. It's not perfect, the camera could be better, but when it comes to performance, battery life, and display, this phone is an absolute powerhouse. If you're looking for a device that can handle everything you throw at it and still keep going, this might just be one of the most exciting smartphones of 2026.